Caitlyn Jenner, thank you for joining us. How are you today?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
You look gorgeous today, just absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be the most beautiful woman in the world?
Absolutely amazing. I feel wonderful.
And beautiful.
Yes,
A beautiful golden butterfly. Perhaps the most beautiful woman that's ever lived.
I feel like Xena Princess Warrior.
More beautiful than God.
Yes, actually, but we're here to talk about my latest project.
Will you reprise your role as Marv in Sin City? 9.5 Weeks was one of my all-time favorites.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
How about Double Team with Dennis Rodman? Kick ass!